Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students. In this occasion, we would learn about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. So, the objective of teaching and learning today, the students will be able to identify the use of must not, should, and should not. So, please pay attention. Okay, students, in this occasion, we would like to discuss about the use of must not, and should. As you see in the picture in the corner, you must wear a mask. It means kita atau kalian harus menggunakan masker. Nah, kalimat tadi cocok kita gunakan pada pandemi COVID-19. Must, obligation, atau suatu keharusan. Must is used when expressing obligation or an unavoidable requirement. Jadi must itu digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu keharusan. The pattern subject must plus verb base. Pola kalimatnya adalah subjek, kemudian must diikuti dengan verb 1. For example, the verb base here were obey, prepare, study, join, follow, etc. I will give you other examples. Here are the sentences that show obligation using the modals must. We must wear white and blue uniform every Monday. Kita harus memakai seragam putih biru setiap hari Senin. The student must obey the school rule. Anak-anak harus mematuhi peraturan sekolah. We must check our school bag before leaving our house. Kita harus mengecek tas sekolah kita sebelum meninggalkan sekolah. What does it mean? Employees must wash hands before returning to work. Para pegawai harus mencuci tangan sebelum memasuki atau sebelum kembali bekerja. Or, this sentence can be changed to students must wash hands before entering school area. Murid-murid harus cuci tangan sebelum memasuki kawasan sekolah. Okay, now let's continue to the use of prohibition or must not atau artinya tidak boleh. The pattern subject must not verb base. For example, we must not stop our car in front of the shop. Kita tidak boleh menghentikan mobil kita di depan toko. The student must not arrive late at school. Murid-murid tidak boleh tiba terlambat ke sekolah. We must not chat and laugh while the teacher is explaining the lesson. Kita tidak boleh bercanda atau bergurau ketika guru sedang menerangkan pelajaran. Motorcyclists must not pass other road users carelessly as it leads to an accident. Para pengendara sepeda motor tidak boleh melewati jalan lain secara ceroboh karena itu dapat menyebabkan kecelakaan. Okay, now let's continue to the difference between must and mustn't. She must be in bed because she has the flu. Dia harus berada di tempat tidur karena dia sedang flu. Peter mustn't sleep during the class. Peter tidak boleh tidur selama pelajaran berlangsung. Jack must brush his teeth before going to bed. Jack harus gosok gigi sebelum tidur. You mustn't smoke. Kamu tidak boleh merokok. Okay, now let's continue to discuss about should or suggestion atau yang artinya saran. The pattern, subject, should, and verb base. For example, we should park our bicycle in available places. Kita sebaiknya parkir sepeda kita di tempat yang tersedia. We should sweep and mop the floor to get rid of the dirt. Kita sebaiknya menyapu dan mengepel lantai supaya terbebas dari kotoran. Wati should wash the dishes right away after meals. Wati sebaiknya mencuci piring segera sesudah makan. The students should speak softly so as not to disturb other classes. Murid-murid sebaiknya berbicara pelan sehingga tidak mengganggu kelas yang lain. The last one, we should have breakfast so that we have energy. Kita sebaiknya makan pagi sehingga kita akan memperoleh energi. Okay, now let's see the difference between should and must. The basic difference is should means I think it's a good idea. We should go, it's getting late. Kita sebaiknya pergi karena sudah terlambat. We should watch the Gossip Girl, it's fun. Kita sebaiknya nonton film Gossip Girl karena itu menyenangkan. Must means it is a duty or a rule. We must have a passport to travel. Kita harus punya paspor untuk perjalanan ke luar negeri misalnya. You must be on time to the examination. Kamu harus tepat waktu untuk menghadapi ujian. Well, we are going to see the conclusion. Must means harus. Must not means tidak boleh. Should means sebaiknya. All these words are called modals. These words are followed by verb 1. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your kind attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.